Lesson 6. If you get it out, how would you finish that title? Put it away in the right space, decide if you still need it. All of these are great answers and will help you to stay organized. In previous lessons, we talked about making a plan, creating a good work environment, and next we covered how to declutter and sort a room. In Lesson 4, we discussed how much is too much and setting guidelines to help make those decisions. Next, you researched where items can be taken to find new homes for them. In Lesson 5, we talked about how to organize items you're keeping so you can easily find them, access them, and put them back. You learned about organizing by developing zones in a room. We looked at different types of organizing supplies to consider based on your personality. In Lesson 6, we're going to learn how to keep up this great new system. It can be very easy for an organized home to fall back into a less organized state. We're going to look at 3 traps that can stop you from getting organized and staying organized. Organizing is only about the space. Some tasks at home can be simplified so they're not so overwhelming and time-consuming. Look at your new room. What routines need to be established to help maintain the organization? Let's look at a kitchen. You have organized all the cupboards and drawers into zones based on the activities happening in the area. You have a drink zone, baking zone, food preparation zone, dishes zone, cooking utensil zone, and food zone. It looks great. In order to maintain the kitchen, you need cleanup routines so dirty dishes are not left on the counter. The dishwasher is not full of clean dishes. Help preparing for meals and cleaning up after meals. Getting snacks and tidying up after snacking. If there are routines and schedules to get those activities done quickly, your kitchen will always look great. Trap 1. Organization is only about the space. False. Organization is also about developing routines and habits to maintain the organization of that space. Trap 2. Organized spaces need to look neat, tidy, minimal, and boring. Organized spaces should reflect your personality and lifestyle. If you can't enjoy the space, you will not take care of it. Remember, organizing is about ease and access. After that, it needs to be a space you enjoy. If you don't like it, one of 2 things usually happens. You don't use the space, and then the things from that space end up all over the home. Or, if you don't like to be in that space, you won't keep looking after it and keep it nice and organized. You won't have any incentive to use it because you're not interested in it and you don't care about it. If you're not having that feeling that you wanted for the room, refer to your plan. Change it. Add something to get that great feeling into the room so you're proud of it, love it, and care for it. Trap 2. Organized spaces need to look neat, tidy, minimal, and boring. False. An organized room should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Trap 3. It's impossible to stay organized. Organizing is sustainable if your system is built around the way you think and designed to grow and adapt with you. Don't get stuck in the mindset that you did it perfectly and can't change anything. Make any changes you need to get that room working better for you. If you have children in the home, organizing rooms and spaces will change regularly as children grow and change. Make small changes until you get it the way you want it. Trap 3. It's impossible to stay organized. False. Staying organized is possible when your system is designed to grow and adapt with you. Download the worksheet Avoiding Traps. Set up routines, checklists, or schedules so everyone can help keep the space organized. Make changes so the room feels good and you love it and you use it. Remember, you're not perfect, so keep adapting the space to meet the needs of your family and yourself as you discover them.